Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be helping you out in order to understand how JavaScript array works. Okay, so in my previous video you must have seen how I made you understand about the JavaScript object, like with the help of Java internals and eternals and Java instances. Similarly in JavaScript, how you can declare an array, okay, with the help of the eternals as well as the instances, that I'll show you today. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, with the help of eternals, like in JavaScript array, you suppose I have to print some elements which is present inside an array. Okay, so in JavaScript, how to do that? Okay, how to write the code for that? So for that, let's start with the script part. Okay, and inside this I'll just write where, let's say this is my emp is for employee. Okay, and inside that I write some employee names. Okay, these are my some employees, and then after this what I have to do is, as I said, I want to print all the elements which are present inside the array, right? So my output should be this name, and this name. Okay, and let's say I want it to be 3 different lines. Okay, so for that you have to run a for loop inside the JavaScript. So I'll just write for I is equal to 0, and then I should run till the length of that particular array, right? So the array name is emp, so I should be less than emp dot length. Okay, and then I plus plus, and then I'll open the brackets, and inside this I'll write document dot write to print my output, the desired output which we want. So emp and then the array. Okay, and then inside this I'll just write br, which will help me to break the line. That means my output will be the first name, then in the next line the next name, and then in the next line the last name. Okay, this is done, and then at the last you have to just close up the scripting. Fine, so this is how you can use array with the help of the eternals. Okay, that means you are basically defining the array here itself. Okay, and then you're just running a for loop in order to run display the output, like just the array elements I want to display. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to just save this off and let's check. Okay, and okay, now if you see right over here, the first name is displayed, in the next line second name, and in the next line the third name is displayed. Okay, so this is how the output will look like. Fine, so that's one way of declaring an array. Okay, that's the array eternals, and you can also declare the array with the help of array instances. Okay, so how to do that? So it's similar to that of array objects. So let's take another file, and in order to show you the array instances, just write script, and then here I'll just declare a variable I. So where I, and then where emp, that's my array name, and here I'll be using the new keyword. Okay, so new, I'll just write new, and then it is a array. Okay, so that means I'm just telling the JavaScript that I am creating a new array over here. Okay, and then I can directly write in the array elements. So my variable over here is emp, in which my array is there, right? So I can directly write emp of 0 and then give a value to it. Okay, and then emp of 1, and then emp of 2. So an array elements always starts with the number 0. Okay, so index number always 0. Fine. So now end each statement with semicolon. Okay, and now what we have to do, since now here the difference between these two, if you see here, I have directly created an array. Okay, and then inside the array I'm putting the array elements, and then I'm running a for loop. But here in the array instances, what you are doing, you're directly telling that a new keyword is being used. This is acting as a keyword for JavaScript, okay, that this is a new array and the array name is emp, okay, and these are the array elements with the index number 0, 1 and 2, okay. And then same for loop you have to run in order to print the first name, second name, and the the last name. So I'll run the same for loop. And then I++. Okay, and then inside the brackets, document.write and then if you want it in a new line, so you can write the br. Okay, that means break line. Fine, this is done. Now close the script part. Okay, now see the changes in this. This was using the array eternals, so here we have to declare an array. The array name is emp, and then inside that there are array elements, and then you are running a for loop, because in our output what I want all the array elements to be printed, but there should be, it should be printed in each new line. For that we are using br, that's break line. Okay, and in the array instances, what is the change? The change is we have to just create a new array first of all. So with the help of new keyword, I'm creating a new array, that is emp, and then I'm just because we have created a new array, I don't have to separately write it inside the array elements. I have taken it in the form of index numbers, that is 0, 1 and 2, and then given the value to it, and then you run the for loop in order to print that particular array. Okay, so these are the changes between these two type of the array instances or the array eternals, which you can do it in JavaScript. Okay, so now let me save this off and then just try to open it off. Okay. Okay, so now you can see the output has come up, like the first name, that this particular name has been printed right over here. Okay, so what does it do? It takes the index number and then prints the array elements for you. Okay, in this the array instance part, wherein in this part, if you see what it does, it just tries to, like, if I show you what it does, so it tries to print all the array elements in the next line. So basically both the coding will show you similar output, okay, but the syntax to write the code, the like how to declare an array, that is only the difference. Otherwise the output would be similar. Okay, so that was it for this particular video, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share it as much as you can, and let's meet up in our next video with another coding tutorial. And if you have any questions, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.